I'm sure that you've all heard aircraft insurance is different. It's not like car insurance. And in the aircraft insurance industry, your relationship, a multi-year relationship with an insurance company, is very valuable. But how valuable is it? What is the actual value of that relationship? Is it more valuable to have that relationship than to switch companies at renewal to save a couple $100s? Let's find out today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of BWI Fly Live. My name is Matt White. I'm the second generation owner of BWI, and we insure over 7,000 aircraft all across the USA. I want to start off today with a story of one of my insureds to illustrate the value of building a multi-year relationship with your insurance company. My dear insured had a Cessna 210 on wheels, insured for $200,000. Great pilot, no claims, no losses, has been with the same insurance company for the last 5 years. When his renewal came up, we did our job. We shopped all the markets, and lo and behold, a lower rate than he was currently paying came in. We presented all the rates to him, including the lower rate that would have saved him $250 this year at renewal, but we recommended that he continue with his current company, pay a little bit extra, and keep building that relationship with his insurance company. He took our advice, we renewed the policy, and all was well. And about 6 months later, he went for a flight. He lived in a snowy area, so he put skis on his Cessna 210, but he forgot to let me know that he put skis on the aircraft. He went flying, and when he was landing, due to no fault on his own, one of the skis broke, causing the aircraft to flip and completely destroying his beautiful airplane. Thankfully, our insured was able to walk away from the accident uninjured. We turned the claim into the insurance company, and as soon as the adjuster reached the aircraft, he was already on the phone with me. Matt, I see the aircraft's on skis, but it's only insured for wheels coverage. Therefore, there is no insurance coverage for this aircraft. Now, each company handles coverage for skis differently. Some companies will automatically include coverage for skis. Some companies will exclude skis coverage altogether, no matter what. And finally, some companies will add ski coverage for an additional premium. This insurance company required that we add skis and pay an additional premium. Since we didn't add skis coverage to the policy, right now it's looking like there's no insurance coverage and our insured is out of a $200,000 aircraft. Not good at all. I get in touch with the underwriter who wrote the policy, and the first thing the underwriter looks at is how many years has that insured been with the insurance company. In this case, it was 5 years with no accidents or claims. The underwriter said we should have added skis coverage, but because the insured had a 5-year relationship, great relationship with the insurance company, he is going to make an exception and he will cover the claim for the full amount. So just to recap, had our insured switched insurance companies to save $250 this year and not had that 5-year claims-free relationship with his insurance company, he likely would not have any insurance coverage and he'd be out $200,000 right now. In this case, a multi-year positive relationship with the insurance company was incredibly valuable to our insured. The whole point of purchasing an aircraft insurance policy is to reduce your liability and exposure and risk as an aircraft owner. And if you have whole coverage, make sure that in the event of a major accident or incident, we can make you financially whole again. Building a multi-year positive relationship with the same insurance company increases the power and value your insurance policy has. There are other instances where having a multi-year positive relationship with your insurance company can really help as well. For example, after you've had a claim, companies are more likely to offer renewal terms if you had a multi-year relationship with them. Another example is that if there's a general price increase across the board for all aircraft from an insurance company, if you already have a multi-year relationship with that insurance company, there's a good chance you can go back to the underwriter and they can use that relationship to offset a little bit of that increase. Now, sometimes it is in your best interest to switch companies at renewal, especially depending on the premium difference and everything else. But keep in mind, it is our job as your aviation risk manager to know all the insurance companies and offer our best advice to keep you flying with a competitively priced aviation insurance policy for many years. That's it for today's episode. Remember, there are thousands of different situations and caveats to the story and situation that I told you today. Always consult your broker, your aviation insurance professional before moving companies at renewal or placing new insurance coverage. If you like this video, make sure and subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. You can email me directly, matt@bwifly.com. And as always, thank you for trusting BWI. Fly safe.